Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share how to purchase Amazon Shopping Prime membership. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. And in saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your phone, then head to amazon.com. But for my case, I'm going to go .au, so just depending on your location, go to the correct Amazon. And then from here, you want to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in now, add in my details. Alright, I've added in my email. Now I'm going to add in my password. Alright, sign in. I'll go grab that code. I'm going to copy this code and put that in. Alright, once you're signed in, click onto your username. So I'm going to click on tutorial. And then from here, you want to scroll down. And where it says your Prime membership, click into that. Alright, give it a few moments to load. Alright, if this page appears, click on manage your Amazon account. So I'll go ahead and click that now. And then from here, under account settings, manage Prime membership, click into that. And yeah, follow the prompts to sign up for Amazon Prime membership. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.